Dozens of people gathered at the RTA headquarters tonight to pay their respects to a beloved bus driver who died from COVID-19. Now the union is calling on the agency to do more to protect its workers. As Paul Dudley reports, the driver's widow is hoping her husband's tragic death urges people to get vaccinated.
One by one, with balloons in hand, family, friends, and co-workers coming together Monday night to remember Brian Bruno Jackson. The 54-year-old RTA bus driver recently lost his life to COVID-19. His widow, Monique, is still coming to terms with the fact her husband is gone.
I have to learn how to live without him, which is a task that I don't even know where to begin or how to start.
It is clear from the amount of people who showed up to this balloon release that Monique is not the only one hurting right now. Valerie Jefferson, president of ATU Local 1560, the union representing RTA employees, says Jackson is the third RTA bus driver to die from COVID.
From day one, from last year, I was struck to die who trained me. Our supervisor died who trained me. So for another person had to sacrifice, it shouldn't be. It shouldn't be.
Jefferson wants the capacity on buses reduced, more masks and PPE, and for the buses to be cleaned more often. Councilmember Kristen Palmer also says bus drivers are often having to enforce mask policies, leading to some uncomfortable encounters.
We've seen what happens in airports. We've seen what's happened on airplanes. We see what this general situation is, and we're forcing our bus drivers to have to be that enforcer.
Jackson spent more than 10 days in the hospital and 5 on a ventilator. He died August 10th. The 54-year-old was not vaccinated. Monique believes it would have saved his life.
I do urge anybody that's not vaccinated, if you have reservations about it, please just sit and put some serious consideration to it, because it's necessary. It's absolutely necessary.
Paul Dudley, Eyewitness News.
The RTA released a statement tonight saying their thoughts and prayers are with Mr. Jackson's family, adding, quote, his untimely passing reinforces the importance of vaccinations, wearing masks, and protective measures to prevent the spread of COVID-19.